At the beginning of each year, Euromonitor International conducts an in-depth analysis of the skincare market. As part of this analysis, Euromonitor evaluates Rodan & Fields in relation to its competitors. In doing so, we provide the data that is used in the claims that have been made throughout your time at RNF. In just 1 year, Rodan & Fields has gone from being the fourth largest premium skincare brand in 2014 in the United States to now being the second largest premium skincare brand in the US in 2015. Rodan & Fields takes the lead in a new area as well. RNF is now the #1 premium anti-aging brand in the US, as well as the fastest growing skincare brand in the US over the last 5 years. In addition, Rodan & Fields is also now the #1 premium acne brand in the US. We are also showing some remarkable growth trends for Rodan & Fields in 2015. Over the last year, RNF made up about 97% of the gains seen in the premium skincare market. In total, Rodan & Fields made up about 35% of all gains seen in premium skincare over the last 5 years. If you take a snapshot of the growth of some of the other companies in the premium skincare market, you'll see that not every company has experienced the same type of growth that RNF continues to see. Let's put some competitors up on the board and see how they're faring against Rodan & Fields. As you can see, no one truly competes with Rodan & Fields in terms of average yearly growth. As the Rodan & Fields brand continues to expand, the opportunities in North America and globally continue to grow, which means, statistically, the possibilities are tremendous. So go get it, Rodan & Fields.